What the fuck is going on?
Big dreams, big smiles, big time. Oh, I hope I never lose my mind. Big dreams.
It's been a minute. It has been a minute and a half. So it did take me a couple tries to restart the vlogs because I've been out for a while. Now I know I haven't made a video in a while, and okay. It only took about 3 vlogs to kind of like start the vlog again. So, on that note, what better way to restart the vlogs than with like a good old-fashioned random downtown shenanigans shoot, which is what we're about to do now. Because apparently it's supposed to snow tonight.
You just gotta do the snow dance, which is...
Hey!
That was gonna snow.
Yo, we were talking about it on the way here. Mark, I swear to God, if it doesn't snow,
it's gonna fucking
someone's gonna get slapped.
It says 90%.
Someone's gonna get slapped.
You just need faith.
90% and I still failed my exam.
You said it was gonna start at 1. It's 1 right now.
No, it's 50. 52.
First we need food.
The American God has a way of doing shit.
So, according to Mark and the app, it should be snowing. But I don't see no snow! 2 a.m.
Yo, I thought the snow dance was gonna work. See, it's snowing.
10 minutes ago. She caused a little traffic there.
She's in station 9.
Yeah, you choke. You see that?
Yeah, because you hit me in the ball sack.
I call it sick, bro. Or shop late.
can't.
Like you did for the past like 2 years, year and a half.
I can't.
Post the vlog. So that's where you are.
Yeah, that's where you park.
Yeah, right in
Jesus
front.
Christ.
'Cause I'm smart.
Sean, go get the goddamn car. There's a spot right there.
Yo, you guys stand in that spot.
Just go. Go now. See, that guy told you to go. He said go. Go get the car. Let's get in the car. Let's get in the car. You elite again. You can't laugh. the alarm system is on.
That's just an Ilika Iri.
No, that's me. I'm the dolphin.
That's a folk.
That's a what?
Folk.
A folk?
It's a seal.
Yo,
It's a folk.
Oh.
This made it stop snowing.
Cash is on tape. Okay.
Yeah, I got you.
Yo, I see y'all.
Alright, I'm gonna have to pull a Peter McKinnon here, and I have to film next to a light source, just so it looks better. It snowed for about 30 seconds, then it just stopped snowing. Currently 2 in the morning, I work at 8. Before we go, I think you need a car wash, because shit's dirty.
Yeah, tell that to my boss.
Yeah.
What is he writing?
I don't know, probably Mark sucks. We're off to Victoria Square. I just came here for the light, then we're gonna go back. Ladies and gentlemen, we're in the Shine-mobile. The light just turned off, so rip on that. Change of plans. We are at like the stairs things that we were last time, and we're gonna try to take some pictures here. It's finally starting to snow at 2:15 in the morning. Yeah, it's 2:20 in the morning almost, and it's starting to snow now. And Mark is happy. We're gonna take some pictures.
It's prime right now.
It's hella key. We're gonna start taking pictures, and that's what we're gonna do. So, B-roll location number 1. Starts right about now.
I spent majority of my life all alone. I made some bad decisions back then, now I'm grown. I heard a lot of people say,
I didn't say go.
Oh shit!
One, two.
Yo, that's sick! I sound like asthma!
Did you get all that? Yo, prop thing.
Okay.
just act like I know it, cause our bank accounts is different. You got less and I got more, bitch. I've been putting work in daily with the posse. Got homies riding with the stick with this hockey. I only call it when I know that I got problems. But I ain't with the shit, I'm all about my profits. Scuff the kicks away.
That's a wrap, boys.
Yeah.
I think that's a wrap for
Raps were at dinner.
We're starting to get.
Wait, 4:30 in the morning. I have to shovel now. It's officially hella snowing, so I got no other choice. But I gotta shovel this morning. Take a quick nap, and then I have to go to work. And then after work, I'm gonna try to bring this to Fitzroy for Pam and Mario's birthday. So Pam and Mario, happy birthday, twins. birthday party fun. I'm so tired. I have to shovel. You know when something seemed like a good idea in theory, but then when you put it in practice, it's not the best idea? That's pretty much what was last night. Sure, the shoot was fun, but now I'm late for work and still need to get coffee. And it's almost 9 o'clock. I'm supposed to start at 8:30. So, and it's full of snow there again. But I'm not gonna clean. I'm just gonna plow through it. You can probably hear in my voice how tired I am right now, or how exhausted I sound. But that's me after like 3 hours of sleep, barely. Made it to work. Next time we see these doors, it's gonna be pitch black outside, because that's just the fun of it. This is the beautiful view that I get after work. I don't have my brush yet, so this is awkward. I gotta be honest, this daylight saving thing in winter is just, it's just horrible. Like who wants it to be pitch black at 4 in the afternoon? It's just stupid. But I'm not committed to be posting once a week, at least once. I'm gonna try it sometimes twice. Now it might not be on Tuesday mornings as I used to do, but at least I'm gonna try it to be at least once a week. On that note, gotta get ready because I should have to go. Very important thing. Don't forget the merch. Merch is out. Damn, this is a big shirt. I just realized. Don't forget to like the video if you did like this. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more and if you want to join the ride on STNNTY. So once again, happy belated birthday, Pam and Mario. Y'all are the best Italians I know. Hey, Mazel tov. So on that note, I'll catch you guys next week. We're on the station at STNNTY. I'm Max and peace.